What are your hobbies and interests?
Hi Abby, what do you usually do in your free time?
Well, I love to play video games and read books. What about you?
I like to go hiking and camping. It's a great way to stay active and enjoy nature.
That sounds interesting. I've never tried hiking before.
You should definitely give it a try. It's a great way to disconnect from technology and enjoy some fresh air.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. I'll think about it.
Also, I enjoy playing the guitar and writing songs in my spare time. It's a great way to express myself creatively.
That's awesome. I've always wanted to learn how to play an instrument, but I never had the chance to.
It's never too late to start. You could always take some lessons or learn online.
Yeah, maybe I will. Thanks for the suggestion.